Guys, just to let you know how it's going to work. You'll start work at 8 o'clock, you'll finish at 3. You'll have half an hour lunch break. People who's taking the taxis will leave at 3, people who have private cars will leave at 4. Everybody understand? Okay. After you, during your lunch break, we will tell you when to take and where you can sit. Because we don't want too many people congesting together. We'll have a register on when your lunch break is. There is no smoke breaks during the day. The only time you will get to smoke is morning when you get here, lunchtime, and when you finish work. Okay, everybody understand? Anybody caught smoking will get penalized.
We must make sure that everybody is knowledgeable regarding what is happening currently in South Africa. What makes it so deadly is the fact that the rate that it spreads is extremely fast. Matter of fact, it says here that the normal flu spread. One guy that's got the flu can spread it to nearly 2 people. That's the spread rate. The coronavirus jumped from 1 to 5, even 6. So, how we needed to do to be compliant, we needed to identify where can you guys be exposed. And that is our aim for today, is to create awareness so that you guys understand how we're going to protect ourselves from making contact with other people that might be positive. The first thing is then traveling. When you're in a vehicle, it must, in a normal vehicle, it must be reduced by 50%. Face mask is designed to restrict the access, the flow of liquid particles from your mouth into the air and you breathing other person's liquid particles into yours. I usually like to put it underneath the chin, over my ears, and pull it over my nose. Okay? If you've got a paper clip on the top, you squeeze it and it makes it secure. So the first rule for wearing a face mask is make sure your hands are clean, or else you're putting the germs right on top. The second thing is you need to cover it from the nose to the chin. It's got to fit securely behind the ears. Everybody must sanitize. You spray one spray on each hand, and if you want to, you fill it's a big one.
One on each hand.
So it's 2. We usually do this and then we're done. You have to go between the fingers at the back. You've got to remember the thumbs and you've got to remember the nails. If we are standing 1.5 meters away from each other, okay, and I am positive, the chances that Sandy will get infected if she doesn't wear a face mask is 70%. Okay, so it's 70% on the if both doesn't wear a face mask. If both of us don't wear a face mask, we bring it down to 1.5. So when we have a face mask, it is extremely important that it must be snug underneath behind the ears or behind the back. It cannot be loose so that it can drop off. Okay? It has to cover the nose right down to the bottom of the chin. And we have adopted the green dot rule, which means that wherever you see a green dot, that's where you stand, you sit here and you smoke here. Okay? So it's just a tool to remind you and guide you that, oh, I need to stand here, I can't go closer like this. So we have identified areas which you could accumulate people, like for example at the till point. And there we have put barricading up and we have put the green dots in there so that people, to remind the people where to stand. We have identified, Chris have brought out our attention, that our clients is going to come in, they're going to touch everything. They're going to try on the shoes. Okay, and they're going to put it back, and the next guys you're going to come and touch the shoes, okay, and then you're going to go to your computer, you're going to touch the mouse, and that's how we spread it. Okay, so firstly we need to sanitize regularly. We have appointed people that will sanitize in the morning, themselves will sanitize in the morning, and as often as possible. Now sanitizing doesn't only mean with a cloth and water. We need alcohol base to break it down.
Everything is focused and driven on sales for this next couple of weeks. A lot of companies are going back, almost 1.5 million people are going back to work today. So let's try and see how we can get those companies and get sales going on those companies.
It's not about how we feel, it's about managing a threat. Everybody is waking up to it.
So the appeal that I'm making to everyone is to work smart. Okay? It's not about the time you put in, it's about actually generating effective results. So what we're saying now is that it's actually now time to shine. So this is a tough one, but I really am appealing to everyone to push through. The second big thing that I'm going to say, if I have to ask what is required now, it's it's mindfulness, it's paying attention and actually knowing what you're doing is adding value or not. It's over-communicating, but the one that is sitting on me, the word that I'm looking for from every one of you is loyalty. Okay, this is what's going to decide. So in a nutshell, I promise that FTS Safety Group will be loyal to everyone who's loyal to it. So, and it's important that you guys are motivating each other and everyone is talking about improvement, not just talking about showing up. Does that make sense? Okay, and I know this is a strange, it's not strange, sorry, this is our current reality. We have to be improving, we have to be motivating, we have to be over-communicating. We've got to be finding ways to actually get our customers and to actually give them the support they need, that they choose to use us as their safety partner. We've got to get stock into cash and cash in the bank. As long as we've got cash, we can trade through this. Our expectations now are just quadrupled on everyone. Okay? And we must expect the most and the best of everyone.